Trust me, today's tutorial is going to be fast and it's a very simple one. So get your material, office pin and elastic band. So you make some pleats, like 3, 4, 5, depending on how it is convenient for you to manage because you want to do it yourself. So mine is 4. So after pleating, I try to, get it arranged. You have to get it well arranged, well laid, okay? Because it's going to add beauty to your gele. So when you are done with the laying of the pleats, you're going to take the excess to the back. So here I have my wig on because I wanted to show I'm not going to cover the middle parts, so I'm going to take excess to the back and I'll cross it forward. I'm not knotting, I'll just cross it forward. So once I'm done with crossing forward, and take note the division of this head wrap is 50-50 and I'm using Sego material. So you just twist the first part, you can pick any of it, twist it, and the excess, find a place to secure it at the back. Excuse me. Find a place to secure it at the back, and once you are done with that, you see that place, I try to adjust it. Okay, so the other leftover part, I'm going to twist it as well and see what I'm going to do with it. Just place it on my head as well, though not everything I'm going to take round. So see the difference between the first and the second one. So I'm just going to dip it into that first one and pull it out. Guys, once you have pulled it out, you have this, just stretch it out and fold into two like this, then pleat everything down. This is where you need your elastic band. You need the elastic band to grab every pleated part together. So once you are done with the grappling with elastic band, then we'll move to the next step. Guys, this head wrap is very simple. It's what you can do yourself, trust me. Just try it. So I'm done with that. Then I'll just stretch to the right, use office pin to pin down, and the other one too, I'll just stretch to the other side and pin it down as well. Make sure you secure it very well. I think I secured the both part sides twice, so make sure you secure very well. If you have watched to this length, kindly hit the like button, share this video, and leave your comment in the comment section. If you haven't followed for more head wrap tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more head wrap tutorials. Thank you. So here is the final outcome, guys. Let me put on my earring, see how I'm going to look like. So this is very simple. If you're a beginner, you can try this to church, to any wherever you want to go, guys. So I'll be dropping more of head wrap tutorials. Stay around by following, like, share for more.